Tires. They're not fancy, they're not very exciting, but they are super important. While you probably take them for granted most of the time, they are the key to driving safely and keeping your vehicle on the road. Depending on their size, style, and performance level, however, a new set of tires can cost you anywhere from $400 for inexpensive tires to $4,000 for ultra-high performance or specialty tires. Then there's the cost of getting them mounted and balanced on top of that. The good news is that tires can last you a long time, and for many miles, if you simply know how to take care of them well. Here are our top tips for getting the most out of your tires so you can save some money but still drive safely. Number 1. Get frequent tire rotations. Most automotive experts recommend a tire rotation every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, and we agree with that. When they're rotated on a regular basis, your tires will wear more evenly, and you'll be less likely to have to replace them prematurely. Number 2. Keep your tires properly inflated. Tires that are filled to optimal levels work the best at keeping your vehicle in contact with the road under a variety of driving conditions. Properly inflated tires are also essential for getting the best gas mileage. If you're not sure what pressure your tires should be inflated to, check the inside panel of your driver's side door, look in your owner's manual, or ask your mechanic. Number 3. Check tire tread depth regularly. One of the best ways to get the most out of your tires is to make sure they have a tread depth that will help you to drive safely. After all, good traction is essential for keeping you on the road under wet or slippery conditions. When you make it a habit to check your tires' tread on a regular basis, you'll also notice any abnormal wear and tear that could cause a flat tire or other problems down the road. Number 4. Schedule an alignment. If your car is out of alignment, your tires will wear unevenly and possibly need to be replaced more frequently. We recommend a wheel alignment whenever you get new tires, if you've recently had an accident or hit a large pothole, or if you're replacing steering or suspension parts. In order to get the most out of your tires, it's important to make sure you're using the right tires in the first place. The type of tires you need depends on your vehicle make and model, as well as your typical driving conditions. At Good Works Auto Repair, we are committed to helping you choose the right tires so you can maximize your vehicle's performance, get the best fuel mileage, and ensure driving safety. We also offer a variety of tire services so you can make the most of the tires you already have. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today to get friendly, affordable, and professional tire service in Tempe, Arizona.